running like this steady for like 30 minutes. See the water pouring off the other mobile homes. Not really typical for this area. Like the drainage is working out pretty well though. Streets aren't really flooding out or anything. Although I think I just stepped in about an inch of water with my bare feet. Dang. Crazy stuff. God, my car's under a roof thing.